G'day folks, welcome to an Oz Cyclone Chasers Queensland weather app. Today the 19th of November 2022. This update brought to you by our major sponsor TownsvilleSheds.com. Check them out if you're in the market for a shed-safe accredited shed. This morning we can see some isolated high-level based thunderstorm activity occurring across southwest Queensland. We can see some isolated showers occurring across the central coast of Queensland. We had some overnight showers in the Herbert Burdekin region as well. We've also got a little bit of isolated convection just here around the southeastern Gulf country and also through the northeastern parts of the Cape. So not too much going on. Through the afternoon, this afternoon, we can see there's going to be some shower and thunderstorm potential across southwestern Queensland. We can see some isolated convection across central Queensland and through the northern interior. You can see some more scattered convection possible across the southwestern parts of the Cape and into the southeast Gulf country. As we progress through the afternoon into the evening hours, we can see there's still some showers and thunderstorms potentially through southern inland Queensland in the evening hours and tonight, and also some isolated convective activity across the northern interior. And then as we progress into tomorrow morning, we can see showers and thunderstorms building up through northwest Queensland, pushing into northern inland Queensland. And this shower and storm line pushing eastwards in the morning, likely to be a decaying shower and storm line pushing eastwards in the morning. Of course, tomorrow afternoon we are expecting a big storm day over many areas of the state, and we've already talked about that in our subscription service. So head over to join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au and choose a subscription option that you would like to use if you'd like to support us. Otherwise, we'll talk about tomorrow's storms in the morning. So rainfall between now and tomorrow morning, we can see this isolated convection, shower activity near the coast and isolated showers, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm across the central eastern ranges. And then you can see some isolated showers and thunderstorms potentially through the northern interior, a little bit more scattered across the southwestern and western parts of the Cape. And quite clearly there, our primary focus of convection today into tonight is southwest and western Queensland, and that activity is shifting eastwards in the morning. Overall, though, those rainfall totals, they're not all that spectacular, are they? At least not until tomorrow morning anyway. There's a chance of some localised stronger convection out here inland in the southern Burdekin. Chance of some localised stronger convection west of Tully on the ranges westwards of far north Queensland, and some isolated stronger convection possible around parts of the Cape and parts of the Gulf country. But the primary area of severe weather threat today is southwest Queensland. We're expecting to see a fairly gusty line or gusty storm activity pushing through this region, and even potentially some gusty storms into the nighttime hours as well. Boating conditions started out okay early in the day, but they're going to degrade very quickly through the day, and we can see through this afternoon and evening we've got northerlies at 15 knots, 10 to 15 knots in parts of North Queensland, 15 to 20s even down in the southeastern parts, and we've got gusty westerly winds developing across southwest Queensland. So boating conditions becoming quite hazardous by the end of the day. And those were sustained winds. Surface wind gusts are going to be much stronger than that, especially across southeastern Queensland. Temperatures today very warm across western Queensland. You can see 40 to 43s developing through much of western parts of the state. You can see 35 to 40s up in the Cape. You can see 30 to 35s just inland of the coastline across all of Queensland. We are starting to see some heat building across the southeast inland areas as well, finally. We need that heat to build for those big storms tomorrow. Have a great day. I'll talk to you in the morning.